Hola, bienvenidos a Notes in Spanish. Soy Marina y estoy aquí con Ben. ¿Qué tal, Ben? ¿Cómo estás?
Estoy pletórico. Super happy.
Llena de energía.
Yeah, full of energy. How are you? ¿Tú qué tal?
Llena de energía.
También.
También.
Qué bien. Today we're going to have a quick look at imperatives. This is in response to a question from Andrew, so thank you, Andrew, for writing in. And now we thought there's two things we could do here. We could spend 15 minutes explaining every single grammatical pinpoint of the imperatives, or we could do what we do best, which is to look at some real Spanish. Okay, so we're going to take the imperatives. Remember, imperatives are orders. Do this, don't do that. We thought we could take the 6 imperatives that you're most likely to hear in Ben and Marina's house.
Yeah.
Okay, so watch out. What's the first one?
Para, Ben, que me estás molestando.
Stop, Ben, you're annoying me. When would you ever hear that in our house? I don't know. You might hear, para Marina,
que me estás molestando.
Okay, molestar in Spanish, it's a false friend. Molestar means to annoy.
Annoy, yeah.
Okay, so para, that's the imperative. Que me estás molestando. The next one.
Ponte las pilas, Ben, que vamos a llegar tarde.
Vale. Ponte las pilas literally means put your batteries in.
Get on with it.
Get on with it. Yeah, ponte las pilas. Tenemos mucho que hacer. You know, but get some energy. We've got lots to do.
Date prisa. You never hear that in our house.
That's me saying, date prisa. Hurry up.
Hurry up. Time to go.
Next one.
Déjame en paz.
Very rude. Occasionally heard when things aren't going too well. Leave me in peace. Go on, say it again.
Déjame en paz.
Vale. Okay, the next one.
Next one is Ben's favorite.
This is my favourite. It's actually not so much one you'd hear in the house, but it's one that I heard everywhere on the street in Spain, and you do hear it everywhere, which is when Spanish people say, come here, come here. How do they say it?
No, they don't say come here, come here. They say come here, Ben.
Well, what do
Ben,
they say?
Ben.
They say ben. Come here in Spanish is ben, from the verb venir. It's an irregular imperative.
Exactly.
Ben. It's spelled V-E-N, but because Spanish people pronounce the V as a B, they say ben. So I would walk around the streets of Spain in my first months here, and there would be usually
people calling their dogs.
calling their dogs or calling their children, and they'd be saying, Ben, and I'd be going, who's talking to me? Who is it? It drove me insane until I managed to filter it out. So you can also say, ven aquí, come here. Ven aquí, quiero hablar contigo. Come here, I want to talk to you. See?
Perfect.
Okay, have we got any more?
We have one final one, which is escúchame un momentito, que
Listen.
quiero contarte una cosa.
Listen to me a moment. I want to tell you something. Say the last one again.
Escúchame, que quiero contarte una cosa.
Okay, listen to me. I want to tell you something. Don't hear that much because we're both excellent listeners. Bueno, ¿algo más, Marina?
Nada más. Eso es todo por hoy.
Pues there you go. 6 real Spanish imperatives. We hope that you've enjoyed them. If you haven't yet, then please come over to notesinspanish.com. We think you'll really enjoy our Real Spanish podcasts, which are full of real language like this. For intermediates and advanced, it's based on absolutely 100% real Spanish conversation. And for beginners, we look at grammar points. We really do go into the nitty-gritty of things like por and para, ser and estar. Plus, we add real Spanish conversation for beginners too. All of that at notesinspanish.com. Bueno, hasta luego.
Hasta luego, Ben. Chao.
Adiós.